And other hearts the tales of love shall tell in language.
Well, Barry, I'm delighted to do this project, especially as a guitarist, and the fact that Joyce played the guitar. He probably wasn't a virtuoso, you know, but it's interesting to bring to life that side of Joyce. And his connection with music.
Absolutely, and it's a picture of him playing the piano as well. But of course his work is infused with music. He loved music hall songs, he loved the ballads of the period, he loved light opera and comic opera, and he infused them into his works. His very first work, Chamber Music, has music in it. Ulysses has a whole chapter, Sirens, devoted to music, and Finnegan's Wake is suffused with music.
And deem it but a faded light which beams within your eyes when hollow hearts shall awake.
And I'm really happy that we're actually doing an arrangement of a song written by Joyce, words and music, in a new arrangement that we're going to do for guitar and voice.
Yeah, Bid Adieu, which is one of the poems from Chamber Music, and he wrote, he set it himself, and there's a lovely recording of his son George singing it with a lovely bass baritone voice.
Remember, you'll remember me.
I'm delighted that we're doing this concert in the Irish Cultural Centre in Hammersmith in London, and maybe we should get back to practicing this Balfe piece. What do you think?
Do you think we need practice?